Stop by and take a look at the 2021 ILX. The luxury in the new Acura ILX includes leather heated seats and a powerful array of voice command and high-end technological advancements, while being powered by a high-performance engine that propels this compact sports sedan quicker than you may expect. If enjoying the drive is something important to you, then the ILX might be the one you are looking for, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, mini spare tire, driver illuminated vanity mirror, fog lamps. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.